Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
Martin, you're doing a brilliant job there, but I'm afraid I've got another one for you outside.
Okay.
So drop the tile paint and follow me.
All right.
Right, you go outside. It's not more painting this time. What's the best way out? That way. We're in the back garden.
Yeah.
Good job, it's good weather.
Yeah, lovely.
Now, this is going to be the dresser that's going in your spare room.
Okay.
Now, what I want you to do is use some of the wallpaper to put behind the glass, so we just get this double effect of having the wallpaper on opposite sides of the room.
Okay.
Quite easy if you know how to use a staple gun. Okay, I'll give that to you. And then if you look behind you, there's some paper here.
Yeah.
And it's quite easy. We just need to cut a panel to fit behind, and then we'll just staple gun it at the back.
Okay.
Do you think you can handle it?
Yeah.
Great, I'm going to go and check on everyone else.
Okay, though.
All right. Yeah. Lovely. Okay, loving the pale green, not sure on this dark green yet. I'm sure, you know, once it's all dressed, it'll be all right, won't it, Mona?
It will do, yeah.
Yeah.
I like the dark green.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm a bit funny about greens. It's taken this whole couple of series to convince me about green. 2 rollers? What a show-off.
Oh, this is covering really nicely, isn't it? Yeah. Good. It looks different already, just using more subtle colours. I'm really pleased. So we don't think it's going to need another coat or anything?
Don't think so.
Maybe we will. It depends how it dries. If it dries a bit patchy, then we will.
OK. Well, let's see how we're doing for time. 21 minutes. Excellent. Keep up the good work.
Right.
OK.
I am a bit worried about how that's covering.
I honestly wouldn't worry about it.
Why?
Well, for a number of reasons. Shower curtains. I will get a chance to get another coat in the second half.
Right, OK.
And by that point, it'll just look like brand new, pristine white tiles.
I'm just loving the confident way you're telling me this. I don't believe you, but I really like hearing it.
It honestly can't be any worse than avocado green tiles and fiery wallpaper.
OK, I'll take your word for it.
Hey, Martin.
You all right?
Have you abandoned your tile painting?
Yeah.
Hey? OK, now what are you up to?
I'm putting some lining on the inside of these doors.
OK, can I help you?
You can, certainly can. Did you do much DIY at home?
Oh, yeah, marvellous, mate. Do
Yeah.
all the DIY at home. What are you feeling when you see it all?
Wow, I think, what have I done to deserve all that? You know, it's very exciting. It's fantastic, really.
Well, it's gonna
and
be
all the
lovely.
work, you can't, when you're not involved, you're off scenes, it's hard to imagine all the work that goes into it, and when you see it all, it's quite amazing.
You know, the fact that we do it in 60 minutes, we
Yeah.
actually do it. Now, I mean, you've got all the flat getting done today, then you've got your wedding in 10 days, then you've got a fabulous honeymoon in Mauritius, haven't you?
Yeah.
So it's a very exciting time for you both,
It is,
isn't it? I'm going to run in and blow the whistle, actually. Martin's done his 2 jobs well. He's half-heartedly done the tile painting, but he did get brought back down here to do the other half. And upstairs, all the painting and paper and everything seems to be done. The tongue and groove is done in the bathroom. And everyone is beavering away up here. Everyone all right? Okay, 30 seconds, everyone. Everyone all right? Quiet in here, gang.
So
The sound of concentration.
Yeah, how's that towel paint going on? It's looking a bit of a mess, isn't it?
that's exactly what I said, but I'm sure it's going to cover. It's
Yeah.
been reassuring me.
It actually needs another coat. Okay, guys, we've got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, team, that's tea break. Well done, everyone. I know it's roasting in here.
It really
You
is
feel
hot.
the heat emanating as you walk in. Come on. Tools down and go and get some water and tea. "30 minutes into the makeover and we're gagging for a pint, but Martin wants to keep us sober. In the lounge, the softer colours have already made a huge difference. There's no trace left of the old flowery wallpaper in the spare bedroom. The office is looking splendid with lush green walls. But in the bathroom, well, things aren't moving fast enough. Sally, your first ever makeover. How are you feeling?
I'm nervous.
Really? Oh, Martin.
Here you are, girls.
Oh, thank you.
Very
Okay.
much, you're a gentleman. So, nerve-wracking? Are you
Absolutely.
pleased the way it's gone for you?
It's the quickest 30 minutes of my life. I think it's going okay. My only concern is the amount of coverage on the tiles in the bathroom.
Yeah.
I think that might need another coat.
Yeah, but we can get Anne in there to work her magic. She's all right.
Okay.
Okay, all the other rooms, you're happy the way they're going?
Yeah, we've got all the walls done. Some of the window dressings have gone up. So all that needs to happen now is the furniture and accessories to go in.
Okay, so no concerns for the second half?
Not yet, but I'm sure there'll be something.
Yeah. Oh, well, I'm sure it'll go well. Hopefully it'll go as well as the first half, because I think you've done brilliant.
Thank you.
That's a good team, so cheers, darling.
Cheers.
Nice cup of tea.
Okay, team, we're doing really well. We're getting there. We've got the walls and a lot of the window dressings up. Who's in the bathroom? Okay, maybe a few issues with the tiles. We need to make sure they're set and that all the panelling's down. Who's in the spare room? We've got a big mirror going above the fireplace, so I want to make sure that's really secure. Don't want any accidents. So, are we ready?
Yes! Okay, team, that's tea break over. Okay, team, in you go. We've got just 30 minutes left. The team's still got a lot of work to do, so we better get on with it, hadn't we, team? Yes, we had. We're 30 minutes into the makeover in this pub in Horsham. Martin Hannon is surprising his bride-to-be, Anna Marie. She's the brunette. She's on a day out with her new puppy and her family, who are filming for us.
They must be all right, mustn't they? He said he wasn't going to call.
Did he?
He said have a day. Yeah. Forget about the pub.
Back at the pub, Sally's got some goodies for the flat.
I've got some fabulous things to show you. The first one is this Kellersey workstation from the pier. It's really, really clever because you get your computer in there, and at the end of the day, when you want to shut it all away and forget that you've been working, you can just close it off.
That's very nice,
Hey,
isn't it?
presto, really beautiful, from Indonesia.
How much?
I think it's £525.
Wow.
So, not bad.
going, yeah.
Also from Indonesia, there's this really gorgeous coffee wood chair. It's sourced by local traders, and this company, Emlet Reed Bailey, they focus on making sure everything is fair trade. So you get a beautiful, beautiful chair, and you know it's come at a fair
Okay,
price.
it's lovely and rustic, isn't it?
It's really, really gorgeous.
very nice. Okay.
And then these really pretty bedside tables are from Robert Way, and each one is individually crafted and signed by the craftsman.
Really?
I think Anna Marie's really going to like these.
So is this going to be the colour scheme for the bedroom then? All the
This
nice white
rustic,
furniture, yeah.
absolutely French furniture, really relaxing.
Lovely.
And then finally, for the bathroom, we have this great piece here.
What possessed you to get that, Sally?
Because it's got the pebbles. It's lovely. It's great. It's
Would
kind
you
of-
have that in your bathroom?
I might have the one that has razor blades in it. That's even more scary.
Okay, go on.
So this kind of represents the flotsam and jetsam in the bath, and
Yeah.
these nice pebbles and the feeling of walking on a beach and things like that. So I
Okay,
think she'll
I'll
love it.
trust you on that one. Let's get back, come on. Quiet. Okay. Oh my goodness. Is this a new carpet being laid? Oh no, this is the original carpet, isn't it?
This is the original. Nice, isn't
sticky stuff that we put down on the carpet to protect it, when you lift it up, it cleans the carpet. And it almost looks like a brand new carpet. It's fabulous stuff. Okay, so, oh, look at this. So this is their original sofa with a cover on. Because he said he loves the sofa. They find it very comfortable. I see. Oh, it really does look nicer, doesn't it? Okay, and are you all right up there? You putting curtains up?
Yep, nearly there.
Yep.
Putting brackets up.
Okay. Okay, well, we're 4 minutes into the second half, so we're 34 minutes into the makeover. Looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does. That fireplace looks magnificent. I'm so pleased. Really sets it off.
Isn't it?
Yeah, whole new centrepiece to the room. Love
It
it.
is really, really nice. I'm loving the seat covers as well.
Yeah, I know, that's such a good way to completely
Yeah.
change the look of a room.
Yeah.
And less expensive than buying
See,
a whole
I
new
mean,
suite.
is it a lot less expensive?
Oh, huge difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And the good thing is you get such a wide choice of fabrics and colours that really you can dramatically change your colour scheme.
And if they're that easy to put back on, you can easily take them off and get them cleaned. And
Yeah, you can take them off, get them cleaned,
Yeah.
and they should be, you know, should last a good long while.
Good, okay then. 5 minutes into the second half, 35 minutes into the makeover.
Oh, it's gone too quickly.
Okay.